Hey guys, MoneyMarrowTech back with another tech review, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of our Samsung S24 Ultra. Now, the last time I had a phone like this, it was still called the Note, and that was a Galaxy Note 20. Since then, I've been using all the Fold series. So this here is the Fold 5, and got the light blue color on this, and I love this phone. I really do. I love the convenience of opening it up, have a bigger display, but there's something that's missing. And I got this, and I'm going to see if the Samsung S24 Ultra, the old myth, the old legend himself, got what I need for me to switch back to the Ultra versus stick to my Fold and wait for the Fold 6 to come out around August. So let's go ahead and get an unboxing. Get these little tabs. Ooh, satisfaction. More down here. Ooh. All right, here we go. So I did get that black version. Ooh, dude. Oh, I missed this type of phone. It's definitely been a while since I had one of these. And dude, it's so cold. Okay, so the box is pretty small. You already know I don't have the charging brick, but where's the cord at? There's your Type-C cord. Okay. The manuals and your SIM ejection tool, which I may need here in a little bit. Pop out my SIM to put into the Ultra. Okay, that's pretty much it. You know, Samsung got away from the bricks, trying to copy Apple and haven't brought it back since. This phone is supposed to charge at 45 watts, but for you to figure that out, you got to go buy a separate charger. So, and let's go ahead and take this off for the first time. See, I can hear it. Ooh. Yeah, and there it is. Yeah, this is definitely it. Okay. Right here you have your microphone and speaker. Right here have your 4 backward cameras. On this side is nothing here, completely flush. Okay, on this side have your volume button, power button. Go push that real quick while I turn it on, just to get that going. Down here you have your SIM tray, your Type-C charging, speaker grill, and your pin. The first time I had one of these phones is when they were still calling Note, and I thought this was a phone back then. Like, this was a phone to get. And the last series I had before they switched over to the Ultra was the Note 20, and ever since then I've been doing the Fold phones, and this is the 5th iteration. And only I miss about this, I wish the outer display was a little bit bigger, kind of like what Apple did with their phone. Still the same ratio, but if it's a little bit bigger wide-wise, because I like typing on here. I mean, they have gotten better over the years, but all right, guys. So right now, I'm still transferring all my information over. Got it turned on. Got every probe done right now. So right now, if I swipe up, I want to enter my PIN. So let me do that real quick. Okay, so if I scrape down right now, it still says loading. It's on 14%. Probably got another 25 minutes, so not too terrible. Transfer all my stuff over here, but first impression, Look nice, man. I miss this feel. The flat panel. When I have the Note 20, when it was called the Note 20, before they switched over to Ultras, it was curved, and I don't, I don't say I missed that. I don't. This is a very easy choice that Samsung made. Very flat like that. Even the back is flat. Even when I held my friend's 23, it was nice, but it was still curved, and I didn't miss that part. But now with this flat panel, I like that a lot. Um, you know, very nice quality. The buttons are very responsive. So I like the overall good quality. Can't wait to use the camera. I'm going to real quick, open it up real quick, get a quick idea of what to expect for a review. So I'm going to grab Mr. Hulk. All right. Okay. 3X, 5X, 10X, 30X. Oh, we're getting serious now. 100X. Okay, so a little bit cleaned up. Oh, that's pretty cool. It cleaned up a little bit, so it wasn't distorted like it was before with the camera. Definitely, we're gonna do a comparison. Definitely from this versus somebody coming from a Fold 5. Also, I have an iPhone 15 Pro Max as well, so I'm gonna try to do a review on that. Not review, but comparisons of this versus this. Are you an Apple lover or a Samsung lover? Which one is the best bet? Which one's going to have the best bang for your buck? Overall, that again. I want to appreciate you guys coming out to watch my video. If you haven't yet, like, comment, subscribe. I will be doing a full review on this phone, and also we'll be doing comparison videos with it as well with different products I have, which is iPhone 15 Pro Max, Samsung Fold 5, and other things as well to come soon. But appreciate you guys coming out. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.